Hi friends, let me show you this magnetic phone holder that I received for reviewing purposes. This is aimed to the MagSafe kind of phones, like my 13 Pro Max. Okay, it will hold the phone, but the interesting thing is that it is magnetic. So you can use it if you are in your golf cart, in the gym, wherever you want to have your phone so you can see it, but you don't have like a permanent holder, you could use this one. Let me show you. This is a metallic office shelf, and imagine that I am working here and I want to look at my phone. You see how strongly it, okay, I can't take it off. You see how strongly it holds, okay? So I can put my phone and I am able to work with it even though I don't have a permanent holder here. So you can use it anywhere. Okay, it's a strong hold. It has a strong hold. You can use it anywhere if you are going to be working here and you don't have a permanent holder. That's it. You can do it. And if your phone is not a new one or it doesn't have the MagSafe, you get this metal ring that you can, it has this glue ring in the ring, so you can fix it to any kind of phone and you will be able to use it as a MagSafe phone, okay? So it's really a strong grip. So, well, if you have an iPhone with this kind of MagSafe, or if you have any phone and you want to use it with this magnetic temporary holder, this is great. You can put it anywhere in any metallic surface and you will be able to put your phone and bring it with you. So I think it's great. Thank you.